Gabe Norwood insists there's no need for rain or shine to push the panic button despite 3 straight losses in the PBA Governors Cup. The Elasto Painters' woes continued last Wednesday when they lost 106-89 to the Alaska Aces at the Smart Araneta Coliseum, but Norwood believes there's still plenty of time to turn their fortunes around. "I don't think panic's the word," Norwood said. "But at the same time we understand how important the next game is." Rain or Shine resumes their campaign on Sunday against Blackwater in Rosa, Laguna. "We still have a chance. Luckily for us, we only played 3 games unlike everybody else," Norwood added. "This isn't a 0-6 or 0-7 situation. Hopefully we can try and make a rally. While he remains optimistic, Norwood knows import Terrence Watson will have to play better. Watson, who took over from Jonathan Bullock, fell victim to food poisoning in his debut Wednesday and managed just 10 points on 3 of 15 shooting. "He also had 15 rebounds. He gave us what he could," said Norwood. "He had a double-double on sore stomach, throwing up and everything. Hopefully he can get healthy and help us on Sunday. After Sunday, the Elasto Painters take on Barangay Ginebra San Miguel on October 13, then face struggling teams Northport Batang Pier, October 17, and Columbian Dip, October